Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm gonna try this Maguire's heavy duty headlight restore. I'm gonna do it on the van. So this is a 1,000, 3,000, but I already did it over there on the van with I started out with I think it was a 180 grit, and then I broke down to the 1,000, then the 3,000. Then I'm gonna do this polished stuff on there with that. Hold on, let me take you over to the van. All right, I'm back. That's the before right there, and then this is the after I done wet sanded it. That's what it looked like before. It's hard to see. I'm gonna order some new ones, but I just wanted to play around with it. And that's what it looks like after you wet sand it. Now I'm about to apply the polish and buff it. Stay tuned.